Oh, we need some cheese. Mm. 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 This is so delicious. Like, I can't even. My hair looks crazy. I didn't really do it, but oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. It's amazing what some vegetables will do. I used some pepper and I never use pepper. It taste it just gave. Oh. I'm liking this red light. I might change it to purple. But this is so good. This is so good. Down to the bread, down to like I put like a sauce, the cream sauce, under the avocados, and then everything on top. Oh my, I'm a chef, bro. I'm gonna go ahead and say it. I'm a chef. Chef Bria in the building. Oh my gosh, it's so good. It's so good. All right, I'm gonna go enjoy it now before it gets cold. Give him his crown. Give him his crown. Yay. After stream snack. Mmm. Mmm. The cherry tomatoes, or grape tomatoes, really made a difference. And the vegan cheese. But everything else I usually use. Mushrooms are a hit, as always. The onions just add a little oomph. Mm. Mm-hmm. 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 Overall, pretty good. Pretty good. One of my better flatbreads. Like, I'm just... Oh, and I added spinach. That's adding a little bit. Mmm. This, like, light is so cool. I'm like on a purple vibe. Just finished moving a bunch of stuff. It's so, like, empty. I'm really proud of, like, how I haven't been hoarding a bunch of stuff. Like, I really don't have that much stuff. It's gonna take, like, a couple trips and I'm done. And really, if I had, like, a big, like, U-Haul, not even, like, a, like, super big one, but just, like, a basic U-Haul, it would have been, like, one trip. Because I really just don't have that much stuff. Like, I'm really happy about it. I'm happy about it. I do not know what to do with this table. Like, I've been trying to sell it. It's been on sale on Let Go for a minute and no one's taking it. Same with this TV stand. I don't want it. Haven't been able to sell it. I'm like, I'll just set it outside. Like, damn. I was thinking about putting it outside and putting my, like, Cash App tag and, like, someone just give me whatever they feel, you know, is fair. But more than likely, someone will probably just take it. But yeah, I don't know why it hasn't sold. But I'm more than happy to just set it outside and let someone have it. So it's all good. Whatever gets it out of my hair, because I don't want it. And I love it. It's cute. It's just, like, not the right time. Not the right timing. So it's like, I don't know. And I don't really want the responsibility of putting it in storage. So I'd rather just give it to someone. But yeah, I'm chilling. I love the space in here. I just wish I got rid of that couch earlier. Like, I could have been living like this. Anyway, I'm about to make some dinner, make some food. Successful first day of moving stuff out. This is so cool. This is so cool. Also, I made this yesterday. They were supposed to be cookies, but they didn't quite like become cookies. So I rolled them up into like these little like, I don't know, these little things. These little like bite-sizable. I don't know. They're probably delicious. I don't know. Mm-hmm. Oh yeah, they're good. They're just really sweet. Oh, that's so good. I love looking at photos post-shoot. Whatever kind of photo they are. I just love looking at photos and going through them. There's always so many good ones, so it's hard to narrow down, but just that first look. Something about that first look. Let's do it. Of course, got my bowl of pasta. I actually don't know what to do with all these. Like, there's so many good ones. There really are. Almost there. Little bev. Some tea. I just painted under here. They're welcome. It was just like discolored. But literally, everything's empty. Ready to go. Ready to go. I have a few little things left. That is a whole bag of hangers. This is literally empty bag, empty boxes, containers. That pair of shoes and this pair of shoes. Only 2 pair of shoes I have right now. Gotta take that off the wall. That's my only thing. I'm hoping I don't forget to take anything off the wall. Like, that would just be crazy. And I need to take that light bulb. I hope I remember that too. Literally, my closet is empty. Look at this. I'm kind of excited for the move. I'm more so just like excited to be with like the fam and stuff. And like, it's been cool seeing them like during this whole moving process. So I'm kind of ready to be like settled though and everything. And yeah, but yeah, I'm just eating my food right now. I don't know why, I just took like a quick tour. But yeah, I made a great drink with some leftover Jack and I didn't mess it up like yesterday. It's actually good. I could be a bartender. This pizza's good. I could be a chef too, man. I could just do anything. Could not be a hairstylist. It's been great. I've been strategically moving a lot of like little stuff so I don't have to like panic last minute. There's just big stuff to move. We're in 2 boxes. I guess that's a sign for me to stop talking and just enjoy my food. It's trying to rest on the teacup, but the teacup is like, nah, bro. Find somebody else. Cheers. So I finished the flatbread and now I'm making fries because I know I'm gonna be hungry in like 30 minutes, so we might as well just start this now. We might as well just, I know that flatbread wasn't enough. I could make another one, but I just have a lot of like ingredients in here, thankfully. And I wanna use them, period. So I coated it with olive oil. Now I'm just putting salt. Okay, I just threw together this sauce to go with the fries. Don't quote me on it, but some milk, onions, nutritional yeast, a dash of cinnamon, some cashews, a little paprika, lemon juice, olive oil. I think that's it. Yeah, we're gonna see. I don't know. Okay, I added a little basil and olive oil, and it's not as creamy as I want it. Like, I don't know what I need to add. I don't know what I need to add. I want it, like, not so thick. Like water? I don't think I need any more olive oil. I don't think I need more lemon juice. But it's still thicker than I want it. So I just decided to just go with it, how it was. We're gonna see how it is with the fries. Fries aren't done yet, so I don't know if I should put it in the fridge or what. I'm just looking around, and this place is awesome. Like, I don't know. It's like, I want to use a different word, but it's awesome. Just like the way it fucking cuts, like just the fucking layout is just fucking awesome. I have just loved this place. I was looking at a picture on Instagram of me right here-ish over there with a goat, my painting, which is actually over there. It's right there. But I was just looking at the angles of those fries are not done. I was looking at the angles of like the house and the room, and it just like, or not the house, but the apartment. And it just looks so dope. Like, I'm even looking at it now, and I'm just like, the way it's cut, just the way, like, it's just so, I had a great time here. I had a great time. I had a wonderful time. It's just so appealing to the eye. Like, it's just very nice to look at and be at. It's just, even on the rough days, you're just like, damn, well, this is still nice. This is still really nice. Literally, they smell so good. Yo, wait, I'm getting excited. Wait, because wait, did I really just make some fries? Don't know how long it's been. Oh, I did put cheese on them, so they're not gonna shake. I don't know how long it's been now. It's hot in here. I was already hot, now I got this oven on. These are pretty good. Should I let them in longer? I can't tell, I can't really tell. I might let them sit in there while the oven cools, just a bit. Just a bit. I mean, they look done though. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. We may have done something. We may have done something with this. With this sauce for the fries. These are stuck together. Wait. God damn. Yo, I think I was a chef in a past life. For real. Oh my goodness. Wait, this is so good. Mm-hmm. Did I mention I put basil in here? I don't remember if I put that part. If I recorded that part. Oh my god. These fries are amazing. And the dip is so good. Ah. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10.